S.S. Phogat is from Gurugram. Colonel S.S. Phogat from Gurugram is calling tonight. Colonel Phogat.
Good evening. I must admit that pollution in Delhi and NCR has hit us very, very hard. We, the veterans, the little babies, old people, can't even go out for a walk. You see dust flying into the air in every street, every road. And there is no denying the fact that pollution is caused by human activity. We have packed more than 2 crore people in Delhi alone, and see the size of the population in NCR. So we must decongest, depopulate.
It's a nightmare, Colonel. It's a nightmare. Prabhuraj Jogiram from Ooty, Tamil Nadu. Prabhuraj, is Ooty better?
Arnab. Good evening, Arnab. Namaskar.
Sir.
I strongly support this nota for AQI.
Nota for AQI, absolutely. Thank you.
Yes, I strongly support it because the ruling parties, whichever party may be, they didn't do anything for the well-being of the people. They simply blame them on water bottle right now.
I agree with you, Prabhuraj. Only you have better AQI in Ooty, I hope. Rajat Bhanot calling in from Panchkula tonight. Rajat.
Hi, Arnab. Good evening. Hi, everyone. Good evening. Quick points, Arnab. After independence, there was only one planned city, Chandigarh, which was made in India. Apart from that, there is no planned city in India. There is unstoppable construction going on in India. Right? And pollution was also in China. You could have taken solutions from China. You didn't.
The Chinese are today, Rajat, the Chinese embassy, I'm told, is it not a shame that they are tweeting every second that they can help India with their experience from Beijing? Subrashtasi, see that? The Chinese are putting before and after images of Beijing. What are you doing, Charu? The government, central government does not seem to take this very seriously.
1 second.
They will say China's a dictatorship.
You should have a ministry on this.
So we can't be like China.
Republic of China to India, which is a democracy.
See, there you are.
Absolutely, that's the wrong comparison to make. And here I am trying to...
You have a ministry for weather. Where the Indian government can't change the weather. Why don't you have a ministry against pollution? Why do you have a ministry which is there to manage the weather and meteorology and all that? Have a ministry to manage pollution. Have a cabinet minister.
The cabinet minister is managing.
Now you even have a BJP president, so maybe you can have a cabinet minister.
What was the first decision of the Delhi cabinet when it was formed, Arnab? It was focused on pollution in Delhi.
Okay.
That has changed. You can no longer say it doesn't matter.
We are all affected.
It matters.
Everyone on.
Yes, we're
S.
all
Radhakrishnan from Palakkad.
We have a government which is now
Good evening, Mr.
Good evening, Mr. Radhakrishnan. Charu, you are facing the heat because of the situation tonight.
Yes, absolutely. And I'm
Good evening, Arnab.
You will be having air purifier in your house. All politicians are having. We should look at
Delhi ministers purchased air purifiers worth 35 lakh and you impose GST on air purifiers.
Mr. Radhakrishnan, you're on the line. Louder. Louder, Mr. Radhakrishnan, speak up, volume up.
Good evening, Arnab.
Radhakrishnan.
And very good evening. And we are
Radhakrishnan, speak up. They'll keep fighting. You speak up. See, they're not even listening to you. They're not even listening to you, Mr. Radhakrishnan.
Different governments happening, and they blame BJP, they blame AAP, and all this should be stopped. Actually, whatever China is telling, we should adopt it. And I was there in Delhi 1988 to 2006. We never faced like this problem at all.
Sir, anyway, sir, Girish from Jaipur and Arijit from Faridabad, sorry for not taking your calls. Nota for AQI is an idea. I want to put it out. I want you to filter it. We don't need to suffer, we can act. We don't need to complain when we can shout. See you tomorrow. Good night and goodbye.
For a quick breather. Arnab will be right back with the debate.
Powered by